Do you find yourself getting frustrated because colleagues and other team members are getting appreciation and recognition for their work, but nobody seems to be aware of what you're doing or appreciating you? You're probably making the mistake of working too hard, focusing just on the outcomes and not involving your team. And let's be clear, that is absolutely a mistake. If you're doing that on a project right now, stop, book a time in your diary, 20 minutes, and start putting together some numbers, some idea, so you can do a little update at your next team meeting about what you're doing, what's involved, and the impact that you're making. It only needs to take 2 or 3 minutes at your next team meeting, because that's what you need to do. You need to make sure that you're involving people in what you're doing. You need to make sure that they're clear about the impact of what you're doing. And in particular, the key people need to know that you're making that impact. Because if not, you're not being viewed as leadership material. And that is a tragedy. And no amount of hard work will overcome that. Hope that tip has been useful. If you're struggling with being frustrated or working far too hard, get in contact with me and let's figure out a way forward that will work for you. Take care.